parenthesis 7 plus 5 plus 4 times 4. 7 plus 5 will give us 12. Then we have 12 plus 4 times 4. 12 plus 4 will give us 16. Then 16 times 4 will give us 64. 64 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not work with the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from your left to your right in order to arrive in a very correct answer. Let's solve the right answer to this expression. First of all, we solve our parentheses, which is 7 plus 5. 7 plus 5 will give us 12. Then we have 12 plus 4 times 4. Here we have an addition and a multiplication. We first of all work with our multiplication first because it comes first before addition. 4 times 4 will give us 16. Then we have 12 plus 16. 12 plus 16 will give us 28. 28 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.